we're gonna name this video, I guess part 2. We do gotta go get some gas in the bike. So what I'm gonna do is have, so we need to go get some gas, but we also need to kind of see how the suspension rides. I'll put it back down to, just I guess the lowest setting. So that's the part I'm not sure. So if I move it this way, of course it pushes this up, but it actually shortens the travel on the shop. So if I leave it here where it is, I don't know, we'll take it from there. But yeah, we gotta go get some gas. So let's, I'm gonna go there, get the gas, and see how it feels. If I wanna adjust it one way or the other, and then come back and then go the other way. And then after that, once I'm happy with how it rides, man, we can go ahead and put the saddlebags back on. So we have made it to the gas station, about to get some gas. Honestly, I think it's kind of straight the way it is. To be completely 100% honest with you, I don't think I'm gonna change anything. I'm gonna just leave it at that lower setting, and then go from there as need be. I feel a little crazy riding around without my bags. So I'm gonna go back home, put the bags on, and then probably turn some corners. Like I said, with the bike being lower, like, I do notice like a little bit more scrape on the turns. As far as the shock is, it's good. I just feel like maybe, just maybe, I could have went with a taller one. Back at the crib, I mean, overall, I mean, it does seem like it's a little bit louder, not to the loudest of its potential. Because like I said, I'm assuming that it still has the stock speakers in there. Those get ripped out once I get ready to do the lower speakers, which will probably be when I get ready to do the amp. So put a pin in that and we'll come back to it, but yeah, we kind of good for now. Tomorrow it's like about to rain today, so I'm gonna put it back in the garage, and then tomorrow we're gonna get up and wash her and get in the streets. You know what I mean? But yeah, as far as the adjustments go, I think we good for right now. I will keep this in the saddlebag just in case, but honestly, I don't think that we're gonna need it. I'm just saying. I was watching a video where somebody was changing the wheels out, so that was kind of interesting to see. It's really not a whole lot. Of course, this is a cover, and then you got your pinch bolts, and then you got your nut, which may be on one of both sides. I don't know. I would honestly think that it would be more than that holding that shit together, but I mean, apparently that's all it is. So they know more about it than I do. So yeah, next. Well, I won't even say it's a video. Well, yeah, next video we'll wash her up, put everything back together, and then go from there. Like I said, I am content with the loudness of the sound stream for now. Just it on those speakers, but definitely, like anything louder than that, it's definitely gonna be like better. So I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. So even if, and I was thinking that's even if I was to go with the precision power, but honestly, I'm leaning toward the Hertz just because it's a couple $100 more on top of what I'm already gonna be paying. You know what I'm saying? It'd be a little different if, you know, it was a different situation, but it ain't. So yeah, man, yeah. Fucking FedEx was supposed to be coming today. I did not see no fucking package. Nope, no fucking package. Let me down. Anyway, come back tomorrow, clean it up. I'll probably slide. I think I'm gonna slide over priors tomorrow. Do something a little bit longer range driving, so I can get a better feel. After changing that fuel filter, I do feel like it's improved throttle response, so that's good. But like I said, just getting on the highways, seeing how the bike handles, and going from there. So yeah, man, we out. All right, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ellis, and we back. We're gonna say Mr. 254, dog. I be confusing the LS and the FLHX. We just gonna say it's your boy Mr. 254, right? So as you can see, we're getting ready to wash up the bike. Unfortunately for me, my driveway got a slant at it. I guess technically I could kind of pull it over there and jack it up and do it, but we'll be all right. Yeah, it's enough room, but we ain't gonna fool with it today. We'll hit it like this. So we're gonna start from the back, work our way toward the front. If y'all watched the last video, we was dialing in the suspension. I did 2 clicks up on each side, took it for a ride. I like the way it sits, so we good, man. We good. So I'm gonna leave it there, leave it be, and then come back to it. So y'all know what it look like when you wash a bike. You know, I ain't gonna spill nothing out for y'all. Just show a before and then an after. a before and then an after. So we got a shot of red that's washed up back in the garage. Looking good. Looking good. Long overdue. Long overdue, baby. Everything hooked back up. So when we get ready to slide this weekend, baby, we ready. We ready. Look more to book me. All right. So, like I said, there's been quite a few upgrades here. We've been saving up for them and shit. So now, time to go back into hibernation. Hibernation/hustle mode. Next thing we'll be doing is, well, actually, those will be here. Yeah, just watch for the next video. We still gonna do saddlebag protectors. Yeah, so saddlebag protectors, some other little quirks and things that I found across the interwebs to see what they might add value-wise to the whole setup. Like I said, we haven't did the lowers, even though I did have the speakers in. I looked at the specs of said radio, and them speakers just need a whole lot more. So before I put them new speakers in and get my fucking feelings hurt, we're gonna do amp and speakers. That'll be the next thing. So we're doing lowers, uppers, and the amp, and then from there, we good. It does seem to be a little bit louder, just off gate, so that is a plus for now. But of course, you know, in the future, it's gonna get even louder. So yeah, man. Woo. But I'm telling you, boy, after that wash, ooh, that Velocity red sun glow, bro. I don't think it's another damn bike color out there that compared to it, boy. That Velocity red sun glow is on fleek. Tell you, dog. So I'm gonna take my little progressive suspension wrench. I'm gonna just put that in my, that's the next thing I need to do, man. I need to get some, so it's not just, I guess, bobbing around in there. You know what I'm saying? Making extra noise, etc., etc. Oh yeah, I bought this for a helmet. Looks like I tightened it too far. It probably, like it's all cracked up now. That probably ain't no good. I ain't never really used it no way. That's for the back of the ram mount, but I don't ever use that neither. This is Harley Davidson theft protection micro dots. I don't know what that is. I think they might have explained it to me when I first got my bike. Oh, they got my sleeves. I didn't even know they was in there. So got my sleeves, got a jacket in there. Got my tire pressure gauge. I think I'm gonna put one in there. I'm gonna put a regular one in there too, just in case. And then I got my registration and stuff. So yeah, I definitely could benefit from some bag organization. So that'll probably be what's coming next as well. But yeah, man, that thing is so sexy, all cleaned up, boy, I tell you. Fall in love all over again. So we out here, Harbor Freight, been riding around, running errands, testing out a new suspension. So far, so good. Everything feels as it should. So that's a good plus. As you see, it's a real muggy, man. There's a heat index of like 105 or something. So I'm gonna take it on in, cause I don't know, I need to go hydrate or something. Shit, hot as fuck. Hot as fuck. Stopped by the local Cycle Gear, picked me up a new jacket. You know what I'm saying? You like? You know what I'm saying? When it's 105, it still don't matter though. But when it feels like 105, like 105, it still don't matter. So y'all seen the last little short I made. Shout out to Just GK. I'm full face, dog. Full face till I DIE, boy. I'm gonna pause on the DIE. You know what I'm talking about? Not no time soon. Head home. I think we should have a package here by now. So, back in the garage, boy, it's hot hell out here, boy. I thought I was lying. This little thing right here say 102, so I think that's the actual temperature. They don't do. I don't even know what that does or like a feel like. Like it ain't even a cool breeze coming through this bed. It's just hot. It's fucking hot. So. Amazon ain't came yet, but like I said, the socks, I got them dialed in to the third position, man. I like the way it rides, riding and sliding good, so we're gonna leave it right there, man.